ya boy abaso se sa yade ene ho ayarsa no yankuto ene tuase 21st clinic ana minua wakito minua Mr. Wak osemu ye kikim osemu ye bonfrete yade bia yesa na omusiate kane de ohuya na wadwane akote Kumasia you 15 branches across the country 15 branches Kumasi you overseas junction edanya Sompa TV ni Sompa FM yabo esisi wo mu aha anomo so wa wo mu to mu dwuma for 0249 311 311 0249 311 311 wo fa ya ye betiro ba bia pen wo na nso akọ na akwakwagi ayawsa 3A core capsules eye kokwa duro kokwa nyina na duro pa ani 3A core capsules wonum bia se kokko no afifiri wani ho sempo ewo mmojam wodi na toda wuja wonan ya uhu moja kakra etoda wuja wonan ya uhu amaman ne sew upose wani ne wani ayeko sa Sompa ye kalesi ano oten nkofo so cross wo fire anaso wutwum ne sew ne nyina ye kokko na frey 0546 107 107 ne pepe kokko do kokko master 3A core capsules no numbi na ntusa hawo nyina se mfamaw na pomuden mapa ensa emra umpawei na opeke ya motum kanchen drinking water enu no nsuo no don't just say water don't just say water kasa upekanchen enu nsuo a eye alkaline water nti sa wonuma eboa ebane bad cholesterol ewo sesenum na kyase enane sadia enya papa ewo ni mpeduanu mu enei nkofofo afudehyereshe esanso wefo yekutu misraw unum kanjina enane sa anwa sadani na afu ni mpeduanu mu na afi hu ye den eya rich in all the minerals esafa tase nsuo ensonya ebi ye calcium ebema dompema ye den ebi so magnesium ebi so potassium ebi so iron nina ebi wo kanjen drinking water mu ekura anti-aging property enti dane dawonuma ema wida ni yefe dani dawunuma uluki nyanga wuhu Jacqueline asa sabi or 14 years nanso nifie kwene nimpa kanjen drinking water enu ni nsuo no wudu ani chemo Brahma UGC ubenya nsuo bi atoho sanso Tafuni Road abawo root Johnson so dudu bia wo pen wuduru ho ubenya ato enu nso be 0241 449191 0241 449191 eno any liner Ubafe so don't just say water, say kanjen drinking water. Yakwaman on your betway na and the kutum wamla yakwaman on your abasisiano. Now the part of the attention betway say so for the love of the game. The Elsa for person you what's the so bet ni we are Mr. Wak, Mr. Namu, Mamutrimu yadi, wate. Namunquamun trendy. Moshi sha, Moshi say we no. Na mu coats bet coats no na mo pia ama Jacqueline mo na mo so atwa kakra na mo pia ade ama Grace mo na mo atwa na mo pia ade ama Linda mo na mo so atwa o mo ni je ho na nso o mo nimu enti o mo yusum coats ndi twa o mo yusu di twa no bet we say o mba mo 4% out of the obie twa ye umpewe na opeden wonya untwa wo dempo na wo sika so for the love of the game terms and conditions apply. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. Bet the responsible way. Bet way or see get way more. Or Papa Grace Yasantuanu Kobna Asante Monson from the MCR Power Time. Young Conquer from Krum so MSCR.
Don't make it.
so na yanko amanoni nkonkodi nkomo wo power time no so na bibia so entum enye kamancho be join your Facebook platform no so wo ba no share page no be comment no to na yedi nkomo e so so wadwentre hu yan e platform kese we so Danny Coleman all the way from Kenya so ya tonka sanso road to reach unsu kutem yenya kosi Alonso e was Sompa 93.1 Facebook platform no unsu kutem Star Boy ya tonka Star all the way from Hafu. I am putting her Usu Kutem and so Usu and St. George, and of course Nana Akosi Abrakwatas. Also over platform so Biano, welcome on board. Welcome Sompa 93.1 our Facebook. Yandin come on, let me be answer and to and the Kamabida following out say by your pre minimum kakra. No power time so na yet amanoni sama hoto de apare bi so kama be patro grace mommy aya FIFA club world cup no yente hu komo bebre enete ho enoma hoto na uko footballer etoda uko kokoshe na bi so etumi koso na sese dramate ne say club world cup no de tenye anisa footballers no obiasi or the girlfriend beko enti ene same na mi ko bi anka na stars beba na Mr. Work woni na beko na so still na yeta ya and Claudio be baba Kizito okay into the channel no Yakob baby sa anosiko into the tenison or really no mess woman Messi and the wife family thing and so at the Antonella I am Rucoso no good the ocean was some television so the part of Anopaya the tennis buyer no what 20 or can you tell you so no or the United States of America so no or already or Kokotanu Kunechi never be soon to me Ayakama and to top of footballers I'm call with their wives and girlfriends and no other terminal when you saw a good tell Rupin Diaz, the girlfriend on also another anopa, and also me and yourself picture way, sir, I get Jama Maya, good. The ocean was some potty, so I get Jama Maya, no, I get Rupin Diaz, girlfriend, on in the status of Omotron Prentre, bears assessment to me, and two weeks a Donny Dahulum and Ra. I'm a patron of the piano who Rupin Diaz, a could do a US of faith. May this a bias on also another where on also the corner with your my comma or Kwakotani Kuruswati and to Mayano on one so sounds near Mammy Nose picture no way Ellen Holland, the girlfriend Dane. Lady Isabel, I am Johansson, girlfriend on also Kokotu and to total footballers in no almost a kwakwa na jumete so tuma yanika mama boy from Connie Grace the co Palmer and so girlfriend in here and Prince mo top player the girlfriend on it and sunye utumusa on so brand bibia so no atumi ayakama kono gawaga on so another top player the girlfriend first and May on so enye wo mu yina ekọ ama tournament no atumi akwakoyaka nika eno ayete also airpan no mami aya Aslan Castro Jude Bellingham ono so the girlfriend era oni ne tenie na akura we come her anka omame ubefu no we ye akura friend say Hendrik with the 18 years the girlfriend no about 24 years wa motra ya no Metusa 1 year, eko 2 years ni international Hendrik started so trimpana and also only atuna say more trimpana sometime no around this 16 years and okofa gateway and the tone also na Sir Prince with himself boy way and the girlfriend man we also take their friends Gabriel I am Miranda we must sign contract so within 5 years so a boy is a boy in China or so Otrosikabi and so to be the man into a new kind so within 5 years and also let me attend home a girlfriend home until no I Hendrik 18 years akurano abren sako say I want no aya depa yagu sedu small putting na no ate pana bibia so no atumi aya kama media to anim sa FIFA club world cup no FCA nyame ya tuma etena first game stadium na ebe host first game no na me bu nkomo kaka good ya also some television no enu aya the Hard Rock Stadium ebe host the first game Nadi Aloli from Egypt against Inter Miami. Almost US of a and a Messi and some now Sir Prince the 10 year when he says stadium way and 465,326 65,326 nimpa wo mo betum akọ stadium ho akọ hwe kamini binie sir prince Jamin Shaka and sa up and no pay me no kasa no ticket and penny photo aye just 20,000 out of 65,000 and more no just 20,000 and me tell FIFA from penny for no be close no stance ni baby wo mo betum nso ho so de be ya wo mo nkobo virtually empty stadium and ayan sama no so pa and na pe alopa na gusu me de won sama utoni na no ade bana bi so tuma ye kama we say prince amete and so stadium ni ticket no ya do game way ticket prices now you're between 300 euros and around 300 euros and then FIFA photo so at about 48 euros not just a reduction no more than 250 euros and I'm going to official store I done panko and conco tickets no I did echo so I will FIFA club World Cup and so not no that I want some out on the pa let me be some atumi ayakama mama Louis Vuitton Wamo customize luggage yaya edi ama Real Madrid good there was Sompa television so Madrid nyankopo ya admechina ana mo so beko echana channel ana Real Madrid wamo so eko Madrid beko china timani tadi zufi and so beko china na way aye Louis Vuitton and no ma bag kama obewus RM enu ego Real Madrid wa so passport holder wa ma yeni na enso etumi dia kan ho adamo dia fansanyin Christopher ayam back no and so wa ma yeni na ha customized a suitcase ni na adamo ma do bebeko anyankopɔ de adoma kyerɛ ɔno so kɔ no na kyerɛ sɛ person obia sei ana no so bɛfa ɛde akɔ ɛno ɛyɛ deɛ fi Real Madrid bɔbɔkɔ no so yɛ ɛnɛ da no pa yɛgu fɛ de nsɛm awotɔ no ɛde pa no bibia nso ɛtoma yɛ kama now menwura mu Nico Williams menkɔnkɔde nkɔmɔkra agogora de tɛde Nico Williams so hyɛ kan ɛnso de ma lɛte bipago no woyimsa no pɛgya no nsa ka ano sa yɛse Nico Williams the ball from 24 I'm on the green light so let me any buying anything come up simple and it's a release clause buying phone activity when more jetum so mubetia the release clause no at the club and the thing at the buying my patron betia at the let oh and so mama boy no kwan so bet me any buying bobo koro and so after getting come on and I Jamin second day amigu so me to some out de pa na me bia so atumi ayakama about grace minim so bet me am Victor Osimhen and Victor Jokeres and now simple Hugo Ekitike and so picture no Sompa aya television so minpin ho komo kakra so poni anything and so everywhere Rooney and order to try so Hugo Ekitike no Manchester United and then opa horse be your story so mo kwa so boy no e betuma ba be sakan atiamomo already what name at some Victor Osimhen again what name my friend Sam ayo Victor Jokeres but according to onu we no or say Victor Osimhen and Victor Jokeres are premium but if United want sign Osimhen's younger a young prototype at half the fee then Ekitike right there sharp in the air loves to shoot at any given chance pray United make the bigger decision good and the Obapa Grace no we United story as he aboko ko fa picture the ablo so and no United boboko no and so by me pay ayagu so den some out on the part of the no atumi ayakama and to we win sase nine Manchester United Victor Osimhen ono a premium striker no msapa Sasempono Victor Osimhen want to no munya player bia ono so ne type anasa ne sasom apesa Victor Osimhen no bono ego from kakra and the Hugo Ekitike no wamuko ko fall from Anton Frankfurt and no pay better at the club and the Manchester United and to our advice not Boboko no he's praying or bompaye some Manchester United Boboko no abeko for the best not just no Victor Osimhen and no aya former striker, former captain for the Three Lions, and of course the Red Devils, Manchester United Bobokono, and Australian and somebody free power, and the Togo said in Nano at the Paddy Biansunet Mayakama, after me free Manchester, Minko Madrid Kodinkomo, a papa, Minisobet Ama Madrid players, the part of Mamuko international break. Now we resume training. We both for the first time under Xabi Alonso. Xavi Tonuhanka Utama Kakania Tunkomo. Good. When Enti Madrid players now when we go international football now after more returning and also more resume training no and I will show our Sompa television again Sompa 93.1 FM our Facebook and also no me patrol the 10 year and also Ogranity at the trend Alexander Arnold Oberun sa Otinicam good enti ono and about so our wife no Obersan Swan your boy your friend said Dean Housen and also and also white now Otikan Range Rover na just also arrive no and boys do to na we international duty no we must all return medical dia to say ya do medicina and Madrid Bobokono and so fly from Spain no me do many achim over my US of A ahead of the Club World Cup Ayeguso yet and some out on the Panama Bianson Kama by Sir Prince William Saboya your friends Andrew Lunin on no international break Boya friends Vinny Junior and of course Arthur Goulet medical that to Mr. South Press no one back to Spain and some only team in Akko already no one fly from respective country and so equal US of A already one more do Moko Bianson Atumaya Kama and not Ayan Samana Sofuapa and the day you said in some out of the Panama Bianson Atumi Ayakama and not Ayadia Totano about Grace with part of Manchester City and now the family to when you said 2 minutes off fly now so the chance of more rifle one more alcohol Mommy Man City are good and Tenunie na video of the arrival about place no and also when you play anymore and so no players nina and so do into sitting here we first often we see Mr. Pep Guardiola after washini kiki kama after the cab or non every play mercy players to Ruben Dias mo obia and so echo a Beyanika Club World Cup no and ya asa so ya meja tuma and ya dacha ya don some out on nadepa medical dia to any squad no any over the drink and so the Marcus Bettinelli Onoko Stefan Opega Aya Moreno Onosokoi Ederson Santana De Morales Onosokoi defenders near Ruben Dias Johnson Penaki Ogani Danny Ayut Ayan Marine new signing Victor Risco Josco Fador Manuel Akanji Abdul Kodol Ayan Kusanov William Sam Onu Eshaka Demo Amiani Tayaduk Ayan Uzbekistan Onosoko Rico Lewis Gomo Ania defenders Medica de Lesson Jamor Bata Mensan Fanto so comment for now Pijani Renters no Samoha Mabaso Bepu Kuma Be Etamon and watching Jeremy Doku about my pet on no short Jeremy Doku on no son Rico O'Reilly Rodrigo Cascante Rotary, Ikai Donovan, Ogre Teddy Panado Sofa, William Sam Way Aya Sofia, D. Oliveira, Dr. Fonsa Savio, Matoyas Nunez, Ryan Chalky, Claudio, Xavieri, Phil Foden, Oscar Bob, full squad for sitting over our Sompa television so Omal Mamouche, Ali Halon, and non Ayadeba and Nete, that was some training Adeba. Let me just to my comment that this is the arrival of the Man City players, and you said in some training Adeba, let me just to me. Kama and some other some power aye television so and the plan of the card we two him say on me and tell you so say we must settle on Ivan Gennaro Gattuso for the Squadra Azzurri Filippo Gattuso beto ya jumai also say baby Italy ati we mu coaching adeni kono me so ase go from kakra do na jidi say Gattuso and the right man for the job but so beto ya and so on to me no and no problem beto we say Gattuso and yes so opinion Tony Gabriel and Gavinha Federation International and Congo Council FIGC and president no we must some meeting akoso and not Thursday now the part of Gattuso kono or the plan the blueprint of course the project or the Babaya Italy Jumano aliko company for jatu momia convince of the project Gattuso dipa which is so betuma yetuma na anopamidi to wanim so we set top personalities awo Italy. We say Leonardo Bonucci currently or your assistant for the Italy and the 20 no on the opinion the day and so at the Baroto a coordi and the Yetuma about the 20 were contact no on the Andrea Bozzogli and so education at a almost 7.4 way a bit more born for the squad of Italy Jumano we said to before I'm almost something more and the question Emika squad Azuri and Jumano Abedu Gattuso so after Luciano Spalletti and of course Ogwa Efensa Claudio Ranieri attended Jumani down and no Ayan Saman in Saka and not Danopa live on Sompa television again on Sompa 3.1 and you said in some Tony Adipa Nabi some Atuma Kama and Pamidi to win so Panya the Thomas Frank Obapa Minim Sawa Thomas Frank appointment no picture no man in that television is so good. And to Mr. Thomas Frank from Brentford, we know Okoye Spurs boss. And so after Angie Postecoglou or no and a and so a Dema club until 2028 3 years and a Daniel Levy and 24 and so a Jumana Yepe and so a German Onyan for Jumano, but it's a job promising to be very tough for it's also our key decisions are also take one and you're going to tell the son he mean when it's a long season and now performing the trustee send a contract new now 1 year I just say some so also activating a year pay now on your convention some and also activating so 1 year close and some partner or jitum as well as 10 year nyamiya do no see June 2026 now the contract and so say so he mean as so say Mr. Thomas Frank ever to my conventional I'm now standing the contract no a big job for the man to do number 2 and you go first Visuma so also contract by June 30 2026 don't forget Sir Cristiano Ronaldo no Atletico Madrid company for as I said you do and so what you saw already Kevin Downson Ghana Nino every learns first Montenso by Oba on loan and they loan to the part of the year no money not say I'm what's a permanent deal and the most possible no so say ya Radu Dragoshin after an injury in January while returning why no penino best starting when you saw already tell Guillermo Vicario a bunch of goalkeeping no a problem so Pejabo on the first row pain sat in the crowd a bunch of and now some a free kick now strikers no a penalty out box no yes Vicario Guillermo Pepper still Guillermo Vicario no our problem Nina also you are now recruitment strategy also the bar or strong backroom staff unprepared for Champions League and natural building a right practical plan for the team we so well the thing the levy na nije aye processing football or person the team do piano or beautiful football and to also build your team also give flair and so we pitching so Mr. Thomas Frank our big job big task ahead of him also so yeah at my space bubble quit and no iron summer told that and then 10 years so that who some go to the penny so no to me ayo kama mom the king Ellen Holland picture I was Sompa television so na me di Ellen Holland who come kakra and then exactly 3 years I offer Dortmund joining Manchester City now Sir Prince and they penidi akwa debate at the bar or did you say since 3 years or run by you know in fact West Ham is the last 5 years the best Premier League signing Ellen Holland in the last 5 years player waf yasano aba Premier League numa I say oba you the best in fact what football our Premier League no Nathan Adamson way Ellen Holland Mosa since 3 years or boy in 152 appearances was so 141 goals in 142 appearances were lifting 7 trophies since 3 years joining the Premier League. Is he the king? Our Premier League anymore. The last 5 years signings are a Premier League anymore. Now better come right here on Sompa 93.1. Mami Austin Villa Bobo maintain so boy and Danny Jesus Rodriguez no wamu kwa so mbenya no oshakan admo practice boboko no. Don't forget so born 2005 just 20 years na kolonity top clubs at the wamu so mbetumenya no including Aston Villa boboko no na me patro tramete and say nyame ya aduma next week wamasa so ko with official ya bed akotase waters no hwe so betum anya kura wei amana bebe shakan so to dia mama no ayansam anu so to tramete yagusa ya do sam agoto na de pa na bibia so no atumi aye kama mama matayo school nya na menti no ho nkomo na enwomwa top bre na free Brazil ebebe shakan e wo Premier League no na oba pa mo one for picture makono kranto so kra. Okay, the attention for Taylor from Wolverhampton Wanderers and Donny Manchester. When we say no Brazilian and some more goals in a single Premier League season than this boy. Goals for saying 15 goals. There's no Brazilian was some more goals our Premier League in a single season than Akurawe 15 goals. The best Roberto Firmino and Gabriel Martinelli woman no as a 15 boy way and so abba that's why you said you're not offering nature this Akurawe ebetuma yetuma kama and so Adama Omaya Babo Kwa friends Manchester United and no some and so and then you said in some outwarding no at the MTF4 to make way so the part of grass bit mama Tijani Rangers mama the picture Tijani Rangers we are now if you want Trevor Sinclair and so picture kakra be betin ho komo but Tijani Rangers no according to Adam Bates or say okura enwuma bia Man City midfield any na Obano he will revitalize the City midfield or yeah player bakwa obebra ama team Manchester City midfield no be solid e sounds like a ball say yen defend Obama Santano don't support to attack or some for flag akra and Bobo Quality City a massive signing and according to what the Adam Page and some other two and you go said in some out on Adepa let me just what my come minimum so Trevor Sinclair picture no ha so Santani Sakanye and none of player Ababele Claire some Mr. Trevor good the option was on power television so a former footballer and they into punditry Jumaya Muya Ebiano no so ye ya declare no bankrupt our UK by the HMRC and declare no bankrupt and you say untia taxes and he so obi untia taxes na o can able 5,000 pounds our UK you declare say we are bankrupt Nikano according to a report in Sakasa say and it's a take to a total of 36,424 pounds 36,424 pounds and see you declare no bankrupt and no as you tell me second ya the sans ahotoni na depa na bibia so etumare kama enche be se form na discussion and so tuma koso kama mama ogua ne tell no son picture no na me din hu komo se celebration the airport no boy no and no you confirm the man oh Paul Hoso or you go to so football and never John Mo Artesoko Sakai Adamo in the next 3 years na say yebusa say oh sonny baby move we a bubble and when your national team call up go to so idea ukobo ha ubenye national team footballer ba na a bansa debianita ujem no ba or say I can understand the discussions in this regard, but we should just wait and see. I have moved to a clear number 1 club in Turkey, and I definitely want to take on a leadership role here. We will definitely be playing in the Champions League and have ambitious goals there. No, boy and summer. Dia tutar no and you can dia 2 years after no him say take no number 1 club and for the party and your Besiktas and your Galatasaray and the just watch no more just was no season Champions League no so modemo say again taking Super League no one more performance was so or taking a leadership pro no a bit more bra matches on so call up to no certain and so at Makoso and your penny so some deeper and then you go in some turning no at the for life on Sompa 93.1 again on Sompa television so obasan so ajoin ye na bibia so atuma ye kama enti bra platform no so Sompa 93.1 on Facebook opa so page no for comment to na ye nim komo na bibia so entumi nya kama medika dia to nim so Manchester City bobo kole kokodu nyankopon ya adoma aye enne 13th of June teams are omukonie Borussia Dortmund according to FIFA plans no Dortmund ebeba eneteng CFA Pachuca and so eba ene Sir Prince utim Chelsea ene enombeko Al Hilal from Saudi Arabia and so eba ene FC Salzburg ebeko ene Los Angeles Football Club one way US but and then almost be moving to their camp one see na be so etma koso don't forget the club IFN CF Montreal almost Mexico abonte so almost be ko ne na etna and so no Juve and Real Madrid one more and then the last teacher almost be arrival at the FIFA club World Cup and be koso be man so US of A and non aye and open ye do some ahutoni no and so to me dia pa na bibia so to my kama and also be turn your platform kesena so o ba so page for comment to na afi yendi nkomo na bibia so antum enye kama Philip inkum sa Filipo anya atrase Sir Prince and so atrase abeja foni na atrase ebedi nkomo na bibia so atum aye kama don't forget say you donate herbal mixture wo mu so me ye konkrofon kro so donate for saying Ninfantu anim sa eneno edrono wo de one two radio so na wusia Mr. Waka LPM no obaya fofra kire awa abonten ne dan no na ye practical no me patcho de tense donate ni yedro wonuma ebrawo na medical de to anim se nimpedua na efiri uti ebesi unase Mr. Waka wonim se be bia moja entumi mbonko no eho no ebewu what I say moja entumi mo enwura wonsan ba bia wonsanu ebewu moja entumi embo enko moremu a morebewu moja entumi mbo enko akomanimu a anasa akoma na pompe blood no se ba ne se moja entumi mbo anko a wakomewu pe na chasa wonsu awu no mesraw edura etumi boawo na ebiebie ntinum ma moja enso etumi circulate ewo ni mpedua no eye donate herbal mixture enu ni eduro no be bia wo bia no Kope Diamond Scientific Research and Alternative Medicine Hospital wo mo drive said donate herbal mixture no nanom the more na moja etumi ebowura obemba mu no Mr. Wako ken moja no bowura obemba mu ade na besi etumi problem that is emoya den obeba etumi nyina bi as bema donate and no premature ejaculation betwas here erectile dysfunction a boost your immune system esanso eboa ma chese brain so e function wadwen no etumi adwuma kama don't forget simple uye bema announce oba edro najo ugun so bebri ansana adiachia wedro donate herbal mixture pharmacy shop bi abegrum no sabeka dro no bi e ba no so person freya 024 67 27 677 024 67 27 677 wo fe ahoma we so ayebeto so na yenu ati nkomo na bibia so atum aye kama John was Sompa 3.1 yenua nana akuya gba John go platform na so sanso na udino ade spend love wo so John ye kwadwo poku awo Sompa 3.1 on Facebook Douglas Mfamfo Kweku Salom sanso na ayam smile fatao wonso wo ho yenua ayam Sylvester Nyame Kujoson wonso ho ananu kunsu kodokrom yatowonka o platform so Kweku Innocent Douglas Costa muina mo platform so a enya asam ketwa kula Sylvanus Edogu now wonso waba platform so bia wo bia no mayentowonka darling boy Sir Prince Atnase Philip Inkumsa Filipo ono so Atnase abijafo bibia bokode
nyame adom bro
first nyankopa adom
se bibia boko
nyankopa adom nyame adom just say there bibia fine
sure
bibia fine
se say there bibia fine
se say there bibia fine aso na say na asem ntiapo papa
oh yeah
and
na say na ntiapo papa so no hunu so na ntiapo
wama wake ni aje pa
so na ntiapo
but I can see your mood is very okay. So you
so when you say I said Apple.
Right. What can
But I say them here.
Oh, yeah,
Okay. But so here. We don't what's your opponents on there?
No can see me manage as I'm now kind of and we are very much interested in it. Unse Papa friend Antonio Conte at Napoli. He wants reinforcement and there are some players Obenya as omoba Napoli team and even in the first place ne kwa yemu say e ba ne sen and a Napoli football club and penyimfo timi convince Papa friend Antonio Conte. Everyone will follow football behind him how Antonio Conte is. If he comes to your team, na say own spend the money players or desire very difficult so obesity. And we all know that per the teams are coming now, everything points out clearly. So on Waba or per some specific type of players because the style of play, no, so how many players almost suitia M1. Enti baby akobiano, sa any see honum. Enti no be him say anka or winning Serie A no. What we were thinking was obe free Napoli, Aqua any other team, and even the expectation was either Juventus or maybe Inter Milan. But then Bowoko from Napoli, et me convincing Amanasti, and to be able to convince Antonio Conte, no, we all know, say you will tell him only one thing that Ubego on the transfer market, Aman and the preference players or pay. It is why Antonio Conte, the first signing, I have branded friend Kevin De Bruyne. And I was thinking, is Kevin De Bruyne going to be the only player Antonio Conte ever here on the team? You and I are aware, say, no. He will need proper reinforcement because team now they just Scudetto no. Yet no fear can be said they were no a team no more deserve to win a Scudetto. Per the Scudetto air title no. I mean can say the caliber kuta air title no. A team in that shape no. And you can say community ben humpo no komako.
The level of Italian friends and league Italian league and Serie A no.
That kind of team no. Omun deserve no disrespect Napoli team na Nasa Antonio Conte. But clearly you know say teams are coaches are Sambo Ama Marine Scudetto no. We are the lowest of them all. Because Alex Meret more Ramani more in the midfield Sambo and Guiza are from Lukaku out of shape, Politano out of shape, and all these players no clearly you know say way below the standard of team.
So it's nice and go focus Uko Serie A this season and I said the just ended seasons you know teams are casing na they failed.
Oh yeah,
AC Milan really, performance
that's very true.
Juventus and yet even saying high flying side Atlanta Bergamo and so yet and even Inter Milan team you know.
Yeah, so it was very clear. But then with this thing said, when he body name free Antonio Conte, he did a special way. Despite the fact say a lot of SUR teams name Queen Famon or no so any team standing out ultimately omoje. But Kevin De Bruyne bana waban enye no kwa de betimi ama papa your friend Antonio Conte what set me standing stay Bobuko from Napoli. Right now, per what I am hearing is Ademola Lookman of Atlanta Bergamasco Calcio. Piero Gasperini, FA team Nimoko. And right now, the team looks to me like Ademola Lookman, even when Gasperini was there, I know more enjoy some sense. No, the team and Ademola Lookman look like I said there are some fringes I want on them. And right now, it is becoming more clearer. So Ademola Lookman, no, on your team, you must see ya, obey through on Marco, and then Papa friend Antonio Conte, I make it clear. Send the team, and I say Papa, Minka say Atlanta a player, a friend Ademola Lookman, or Munya Nemana and Kope, because clearly, sorry Ademola Lookman, now the year comparison in the wingers are Napoli, Ekuta say now, or an upgrade in a way for me. Those are Politano honum, but Politano stayed on for one season. Our boy together with Victor Osimhen, Muje, league this year, but then after that, you a branch friend Politano ye and Ademola Lookman. At least we can say what stay on for at least 3 seasons be. And Odeneba, the goal contributions and everything far better than Matteo Politano, any David Neres more, or Mutibo anymore, Giacomo Raspadori, or numbers are far better than them. So clearly, if Papa Efreno, Antonio Conte, this guy, a bit me up team, and the style of play na Sasono, SUT, the style of player Antonio Conte, or players are very fast and decide and time on the ball. Yete ball na ya ba to the amount. The moment you reach up goal post, then unim the other ball na and Adumola Lookman looks to be one of those players. And I think says Omunyana a very very good for Bobukwa, the former Napoli, and then Papa friend Antonio Conte himself. Now we need this issue, no. Martin wants to be say Omunyana free Liverpool mope. Martin wants to be and unim amafo bebre who said that winniness ne form na nye onye player like obetimi bring a team to that kind of limelight, and I said to that kind of level team nibe here. But look, Antonio Conte is a different type of manager bia. And most of the time the preferences na man for ntiase. So unim the make pa. Look at someone like Matic. Look at someone like Victor Osimhen. Actually and Papa friend Antonio Conte. He makes sure say there are some players or no upper one specific thing in them. And Onyasa de ni free omo he is good to go with them. And that winniness was hard, which is the fighting spirit. On shada here players are technically gifted. Do say every coach needs a technically gifted player. But on only the most of the time, or had the fighting spirit of the player, and we had that winniness or a pure fighter. Those who about Liverpool, we all know say any man shadan kuyi. But original game nim no back. Clearly you feel say there's some light in him, and I said there's some fire in him. Oh, here see a best for the amano. And I feel say Antonio Conte is seeing that. And so Nyabranti friend Darwin Nunesa, I'm not saying say you bet me a better player and than Antonio Conte, but the possibility is very high. And you no kwanso na yesi no Napoli and Antonio Conte ehia. Menya ntiese Federico Chiesa or Liverpool no. Papa friend Antonio Conte is telling the people say omunkofa Federico Chiesa and Darwin Nunes no emfanemra. So for now, we are just waiting to see say Antonio Conte obetimi all these players no and any other players bia obenya their account because I'm looking at the defense. As all reinforcement kakra with Giovanni Di Lorenzo and I've forgotten the Oliveira. No, I'm talking about the left back Oliveira. No, they are not players outrightly. Or more players or more fitting the style of play because Antonio Conte most of the times open the few passes on bet me around here call many masaba and Di Lorenzo is not showing it that much. Oliveira and to me yes I did so definitely I'm looking at Antonio Conte say they are after Obenya Darwin the next Federico Chiesa after securing Kevin De Bruyne no or best a reinforcement at the back at the back kind of team and then we look for it to see how ebesi akwade amano mu wait till hono me de ma menwe we answer na maba Paris who can say me the far Italian national team no. Frankly speaking, I wonder why the Italian national team are choosing that path. Gennaro Gattuso as the head coach for Italy. And Omo say Leonardo Bonucci, Bazaglimo, and so my and Zecra so Sani Buffon Mudin Como. So Munyan team be part of the backroom staff. Look, seriously, Italy national team, we all know said they are in transition. We are goalkeeper insider. Gianluigi Donnarumma is giving them that kind of assurance. But he must say defense no after Papa friend Bonucci, Bazagli, Nichilini, Mufi Honum no have they been able to transit the young boys now mobile into the team properly? No. Alejandro Bongiorno, Calafiori, we are all these players now. Yesterday now, team for enya that kind of cohesion no. Coppola and the Bastoni the last time omubo gamer no mujine chon makle unim say individually omo that kind of quality but they need someone who will bring that quality together make it work as a team and says Spalletti abano entimi anya I don't see how Papa your friend Gattuso betimi I say adwuma no. Frankly speaking, I don't see how because all bit is Gattuso I must say teams be kwan wakochi and even so wakochi pen how many players and what me raise your more one more be great players. The only player bet me aboni di Eddie Abata Papa friend Gennaro Gattuso ho only one which is Patrick Cutrone. So beka Patrick Cutrone. This is the only player oba under him or making sure so bet me amanya 1 or 2 goals be Eddie Amani team. But after that, when be na Bondi, is it going to be Christophe Piatek and Matthias Kadara mo na bebo mudiana? He doesn't have that signature of developing players from Minkan said the young and I say from ashes to being top players. Only that kind of handwriting. No? So why is it the Italian national team wanting to give him the nod? Because Italy team the is here, more individual qualities. No, go to the midfield. Nicolo Rivella is there. Nicolo Barella is also there. There are some players that individually, are very good, but someone that needs to bring the best out of them. No, here and Gattuso for me, I say why the right manner Italy for us or more many show on a very very bad decision. And for me, Italian national team or make you on. Now, you need to come away Paris. I want to talk about Xabi Alonso at Real Madrid. You see, it has become clear that he willingly wants to, change the style of play, offer some identity being from Real Madrid team anymore. And then I was looking deep into it, and I made Jones, okay, how is Xabi Alonso going to be able to do this thing? And then I decided, say, my main come back in the Madrid coaching era, no? And I said, Madrid air coaching bench, no. Coach is better in the last 10 years. Any young fan say in the 21st century, call my former bar or Mutimi or Madrid, any other success or honor. And looking at the coaches now, look, so for a bit to say, Vandela, Zimbabwe. All these coaches are Benyan, almost every one of them on a style of play, in the specific air coaching philosophy or the Madrid team. And you for Vandela, Zimbabwe. Onona or a possessive oriented and also or that kind of Brazilian flair in the ball no Oba Madrid ye hu ye we should be to say Fabio Capello. We all know defensive approach and always or the call and obia or per discipline the players no person omunye discipline and a tactical flexibility so or pesade no he came to Madrid Ebeye Ejuma. Ben Schuster is also there and Ben Schuster no team in Cabebre in fan but he was a coach Abeka say no yeah that kind of flexible Otimi adapted to team bia de bemani bia obe coaching Madrid. You talk of one day Ramos defensive oriented or no so na or precise counter attacks. Ube for bit say Manuel Pellegrini all out attacking. Once Manuel Pellegrini no be no deba Man City no. Ube say the fullbacks no always or person omon call many or more attacking omon kaka wingers no the moment on call wings on no. Now wingers na naturally na shift here by inside aba be attacking midfielders. That is what he was known for. And also the coach able from Madrid. You talk of Obi to say Jose Mourinho. When you hear Jose Mourinho say a pragmatic coach, defensive oriented, the emphasis no almost every time about the defense. How Obi to stable at the back and then Obi counter attack any opponent be on the Nibobia. Into also know on the style of play. You talk of Rafa Benitez. Pure versatility. Anything be at the Berman Biano. It's either Obo 4-3-3, Obo 4-4-2, Obo 3 back. Say, baby, sitting the team de Kutano. It also know a typical style of play. On Zodinam. And a Julian Lopetegui, minimum because he didn't make a name for himself. But for us, I didn't make a so my coach is whenever me bo bidinya, me never be a debata won't say this is what he is known for in terms of tactical approach. But so the last two coaches are about Madrid now. They were not known for that. I am talking about Zinedine Zidane and then Carlo Ancelotti. These are typical coaches, or proper man managers. So Carlo Ancelotti, the teams are coming now. A typical example, for AC Milan team, or do chop that success no. It was typically about man managing the players, making sure say players need that kind of chemistry and come together. No one getting the best out of them. That has been the sole purpose. Any idea a dance or Carlo Ancelotti. The same thing as Zinedine Zidane so before Madrid or the then Abeka Zidane approach Ben or Deba Madrid. Was he possessive? Was he defensive? And that's not about counter attack. Or none at the end of the day, always he was looking for the best out of the players. And it's Obekaya or game against Liverpool in the final. Garbe about that bicycle kick nation. On said that time, Garbe and Shea final and Umpasio. But no BN said that BBC and they dominating. But always who said that I need to get the best out of my players. No, it won't say Garbe, Sebi, Oya and Sema and then the end no this Munuchan. He made sure say Obe Benchi Garbe in most games. Sebi or the neighbor Obe say you are a player, yet me you free money. And when he brought him from the bench, Ebe is no. Garbe came and scored 2 goals for them. And a Boama Mudi AJ UEFA Champions League. No. So clearly, Carlo Ancelotti is Zidane. Proper man managers and Omaba and Omaba says Sanema Kakao Madrid team demo. Madrid right now, Omu team no. I say Omu fa coach they mostly look at coaches are Omu me manage the egos of the players no Omoba. And right now the players now it is going to be difficult for any manager, including Xabi Alonso no OCC to manage the egos. And Xabi Alonso per se omfa that kind of identity name identity ne kwa edenya. He has been called by Pep Guardiola before, Jose Mourinho before. He has been called by Rafa Benitez, Carlo Ancelotti before. The center the Bosque Spain national team only Luis Aragonés. Or money now our 4 months as a pen. So was seeing a maybe bring to a call by Leverkusen, no. Then the style of play is so obebo possession akra the defense very good because ono na miehu Odinam Kosenu Edmond Tapsoba ene Jonathan Tamo na nke enhye dani mo bibre Alejandro Gemado ene Abrante friend Jeremy Frimpong mu nyina no enti so ahwe o make sure say niema wasua from Nicolas or the be ya adwuma ho and say see an Obama Madrid or the side identity ni na eba is it going to be for him to do because say obetimi anya that kind of identity on Madrid team now you need to be a coach in the first place or manage the team now answer or manage the goals of the players now answer and we keep saying Madrid attack on them say see no we a coach me say Paris it will be very difficult for every other person so because Omar Madrid attack every coach be about the best statistics see more obetimi is so specific then in say in Buaka Rodrigo is there Jude Bellingham is there is there clearly mapping more honum. So how is a coach going to get the best out of this team? So for me, I think Xabi Alonso really wants to bring an identity into the team.
Okay.
But with what I just said, it is going to be very, very difficult. And most especially, omu players now, almost hyper, though they've assured Xabi Alonso some kind of with a very career. So we be story no say omo assurance some kind of funding number. So we are looking forward to see how Xabi Alonso or did that kind of identity now what can want them the beba before say obetimi I side then I feel say ultimately manage the egos of the boys no munyanti ase between omo ankasa ho ansana wetimi anything else in the team.
Me don't say Sir Prince no but there are a lot of people who believe says so the quality of Madrid if managed well input so man ko play beer from outsider they have quality quality no they are better than any club in the in the La Liga individually
it is about the coach obetimi manage the boys na ma omenye omo ho ntiase as a rocking shoulders so to me you from mudia because the style of play at Bayer Leverkusen is very nice. One of the best air footballs he who last season Leverkusen at the Mai it to me translated the Bar Madrid believe you me they rock shoulders with the big boys no in the La Liga which is Barcelona aside to me making sure say European front so better to me ejuma bet ejuma na edin mom to be able to get that best out of the players na edin papa
Filippo
Real Madrid Football Club, the ideology said we are the best in the world, estimate from the 1980s. When our Papa and friend Paco say we are the best club in the world. Thereby, we should get the best of managers, we should get the best of presidents. And that was when Real Madrid started say, Omunya sa identity, And Minu and they say a comparative analysis. Real Madrid, and the rest of the teams in the world as a Real Madrid omo sky the rest of the clubs I say omo was asiso gap no eso in terms of say yem bringing out the best in anything and at the end of Real Madrid as a football club club be at the chain Champions League look at the gap. So we Real Madrid are 15 now. The second best team in Europe in the Champions League AC Milan now just 7 difference in your saying
8
so Real Madrid need yes into the one prince say come and we are doing pass the ideology and mentality say we are the best in the world that is how it is and then Madrid bar now say Franco Mastantuono they say they are all set say the boy will join Real Madrid has joined Real Madrid they say no money and this boy will join Real Madrid as a player but last time Prince was raising arguments say already the raw materials now won't bring out the best in those raw materials why then do you add another raw material and then when a friend on Drake say the current best story because Xabi Alonso per the plans laid bare at Real Madrid looks like boy on Drake is not part of the long-term plans and on Drake as a player sometimes some case may have a private life no more what can I be on lady a friend Gabriele that is the wife. Now, on the wife before mobile warring, there was a contract in the marriage. And contract about a month for Sompa and say, in all situations, you have to say, I love you. In all situations. It's watching me cross and me cheat to crack as I love you. That is the contract in the Amali, the clause in that is in the marriage. They say everything. Now, between on the wife, Gabriel, what about committee biasono, and so pata the other. Yes, there should be a penalty. At the age 18, That is the married contract. Any clause say one our rim.
Yes. Get 24.
Yeah, get a celebrity. Get a 24 years. Oh, Bernard, MDM for Gerard Piqué. Gerard Piqué, this girl, Shakira, a gap now, Fabregas and a wife. Papa Carlos Puyo and then a wife. For the Spanish culture, and found is only a number.
Nina Modia, Ebru Madrid and Tiaso. So, President was on a menu Cassimi. Emmanuel Macron and then a wife. French
president and then a wife.
Or non Macron. None the classmates. A year, Neyerano, Eba. Anu Musko, ne classmates. And then they get a ba, they get a banner of about more than a bawano. Aha, and see, no, mamma, no, so ye, a friend said teaching to on a down for now, and then be fina. Mamma, Macron.
As for men
on the water, no.
Yeah, many problem with that because Brofono or Momu say age is only a number. You see, snipping in a gap, no, close to 10 years. And then for us, me way on Rick 18, na Gabrieli. 24 years.
23, I feel
24 years. Gap around 6 years. Me and found but the problem among for Wopaye, the clause in the marriage. Contracts. Say, and they watch him say, me you be cry, ye be
I love you.
Just say I love you. And then the contract say, wow, I don't know, so work best sign be there. I don't know. That is the contract and the clause in the marriage. Now, boy, we say in the career, no, me yes, Ramano, when I offer FIBA, so we are follower of the Brazilian gamer. On drinking yet top talents at Brazilian. On do way. So we are key follower of the Brazilian gamer. Or more movie free from Brazil. About Real Madrid. We had a career path of Robinho. No, the two on Rick Muhua. I say gap no waka crap. Until no, hear how this boy would develop. But I say no. The new coach in charge, Xabi Alonso. Na partner na offer no. Say no, or ye believe Franco Mastantuono more. And na Andre best story the career path and the best story the progress of this young man on Rick. Now, my main call Manchester United. I bring a friend Mateus Cunha. Say was signing a contract in 5 years so. Now Brent here signing. Now, Mr. Grace is on for the clause in Tosunami reading. Or say it is put in words my feelings about becoming a Manchester United player. Now, ever since I was a child in Brazil, watching Premier League games on TV at my grandmother's house, United was my favorite English club, and I dreamt of wearing the red shirts. I want to thank my family, everyone who has helped me make that dream reality. So, meaning, say, Osoyina, when Brazil, no, he was a red. Just said, Manchester United as a club, then finally signed a 5 years contract. No. Now, according to the director of football at Manchester United, my friend Jason Wilcox. Jason and some more can say, Papa, my friend Ruben Amorim, planning how obey a new look attack nebe. Say the next player, Brian Mbemu, Muguso still no Muguso Mudinko. Say, Bibia true, so that they will be done with Brian Mbemu. Now, just more real conventional positions, you know. Then look at the number 9. They say number 9, the Ebony, Ugo Ekitike. That is the latest player on the block. Now, Ugo Ekitike story, no, the echo and Unye. They say club my friend Frankfurt say €100 million or no deal. €100 million or no deal.
That is around 85 million pounds.
85 million pounds, exactly. That is a pounds conversion, exactly. Now, they say no. Chelsea Football Club, any Arsenal, are looking at this boy. But Arsenal, dear no, say the about Benjamin Šeško, and no say no club. I from the RB Leipzig say, Arsenal better Benjamin Šeško. They will never take installments. Say what a Benjamin Šeško. Fear scanning in a man yes a wood to bina was a later and will be to Yankai no Davy. Or more just straight that is a scanning in bulk. And see that is that is what is coming through. But that thing was and also now put Arsenal off on Benjamin Šeško. But they say today and the picture say near this boy on Mbappe. But the issue is 65 million euros to crowd and 100 million euros. How is that possible? They say no Manchester United so Diama Ekitike are on joining Manchester United and no football. And I'm Manchester United no. Say no I say play bia APA and as a player be about player be wants to avoid Manchester United.
Oh, say because of the financial fair play rule, I say the best way to go, paying players installment.
Yeah.
What I say because financial fair play rule are they are waiting. I was say balance with their will get it.
But in economics, when the demand is high, sometimes they put in off. But then no, when obey bold no the price that sets. That is in economics. Into my knowledge in that, say as a stance, so financial fair play ruling, Manchester United and other clubs pull out. Club now more material that is contract Frankfurt. Frankfurt say it is 100 million euro or no deal, and you pay direct. In installment, and so is Benjamin Sheshko. Into we Arsenal fana. Say players now Arsenal paying now. Clubs need ready some Belgiscano in installments. That is what is coming through. And the Arsenal Football Club are looking at Nico Williams. But Nico Williams now Arsenal air panel. And yet this season, last season, now Arsenal started so much chasing Nico Williams. But then they know one club are too serious. So Nico Williams are only the baby a team by Munich. Papa na friend Vincent Company and Mark Sebel. Egu so mu deal say Omonia Athletic Bilbao. A deal say this boy ebe end up in Bavaria.
Yeah.
And say no, say Arsenal compete by Munich. Menu ina yenim say in terms of financial prowess, Bayern Munich was so in club Arsenal.
Report from Spain, say the camp of Bilbao.
On person the contract extension, so that may increase in the buyout clause. That is the news. So that they will increase the buyout clause, But when they increase the buyout clause, Bayern Munich is one of the vultures in Europe. Vulture in allusion in literature. Yakasa will be a vulture in football. Clubs no more vultures, Baku ya Bayern Munich, Real Madrid, Barcelona. Omo was our class. Paris Saint-Germain, Man City. To some extent, Liverpool, Chelsea. Omo ya vultures in football. When they want your material, and so more player, there is no saying no. And I said nothing will stop them because in terms of finances, Omo is stronger enough. Now Pep Guardiola is why is something exceptional. When himself Jurgen Klopp assistant, last time we heard a story say I confirmed an official say Pepijn Lenders are joining Man City. And the reason why I was signing Pepijn Lenders a philosophical change. E bia na Man City system now omode ban this season won't see the reason why I name Pepijn Lenders and only James French na be the first team assistant. Na Pepijn Lenders I am the director, that is the second assistant to the senior team. Now Pepijn Lenders you are very good at NSA developing raw materials. At Liverpool, Pepijn Lenders was one of the major reasons at Liverpool signed Luis Diaz from Porto. At Liverpool, and with Jurgen Klopp, he was the major reason at Liverpool signing a brand friend Luis Diaz from Porto. And one thing so exceptional and say once at Liverpool during the Gengham pressing era under Jurgen Klopp, the Liverpool so exceptional and say in wide areas. And wide areas, Trent Alexander-Arnold, and Andy Robertson. You are there drained by for Jurgen Klopp, Gengham pressing, man, you Liverpool, Pepijn Lenders. And then, club now from Manchester City, our high flyers. Or Savinho and Jeremy Doku as high flyers. And then what quality in the middle in Tijani Reines from the Netherlands. Now we're saying that is already Rodri is also coming back. In saying the base in the City. And again, it's a we're in the back line now. When you're Ryan Aït-Nouri, and Ryan Aït-Nouri is a high flyer. As I say, Man City this season, with Pepijn Lenders, we are City fan at Tierney Passe. This season, what to expect more on say, City about attacking through the wide areas. It is one of their area of that is one of focusing more because say Aït-Nouri or ball as a right, that is the right back. Sorry, Obo at the left back and a high flyer, and he will fly direct on the same axis with a Brent here from Savinho, and that is why Neomania Papa Funny, that is Pepijn Lenders. Still with this assistant coaching issues, they are Eberbio and say club by friend Liverpool. Say when you see Johnny Heitinga, I'm a team Ajax, and say Liverpool any assistant manager. Papa na friend and slots. I recommend it former Barcelona right back. And again, the former captain of the Dutch national team, friend Giovanni van Bronckhorst. So Van Bronckhorst be assistant to Liverpool. Giovanni van Bronckhorst. So what kind of part? What kind of 2010 South Africa. 2010 in South Africa. Almost said the best goal of the World Cup. Almost said the best goal of the World Cup. Yeah. It was the game against Uruguay, Netherlands against Uruguay. Baby Ojina boss that belt and the share against Uruguay Muslera it was a talking
Giovanni Van Bronckhorst.
As I say, Giovanni Van Bronckhorst. Grace Messer for Giovanni Van Bronckhorst picture to Sumami. On no the assistant at Liverpool. And Beno Obano says, you know, the Dutch masterclass at Liverpool, no, another factor. And they prepare, you know, a head coach at the Martin Rangers. They say, of Rangers, no, they say, or a clubless. But then on slot say, Obetumina Yekuma at Liverpool. And Beno Obano, they say, Liverpool Football Club, so I started in Koma about Victor Osimhen. But yeah, I'm sure able put Liverpool off and say, Osimhen is one of those players on my board in terms of score in a week. Osimhen is demanding £400,000 a week. Already Al Hilal the offer £650,000 a week by or see on already so across Saudi Arabia for footballing reasons. But the name so be Liverpool or see the least of £400,000 a week. And at Liverpool, the highest paid player Mohamed Salah. Say Florentine deal no go through or no budget £355,000 a week. Virgil van Dijk get £350,000 a week. So meaning say always or Liverpool and Panyampa, he will rub shoulders with Mohamed Salah as the highest paid players at Team Liverpool. And then on a club near from Napoli in the why ready pa. Once I praise the story by about Federico Chiesa. And then Chiesa story in the Abban say Sampanyampa say Liverpool beton Chiesa ma that is Team Napoli. Then they will start they will begin talking to that is Team Napoli on player friend that is Victor Osimhen and Bibia if all things go well when friend Victor Osimhen so will land at Liverpool. They say Liverpool are way out on Ugo Ekitike. They are not interested in the Victor Gyökeres deal. Into strikers Mienu Ekitike any Gyökeres no. It's a Liverpool Football Club abawa outside Nessa. Into Ora Richard Hughes any that is Richard Hughes and Michael Edwards are now bargaining and looking at Papa Abrentia friend Victor Osimhen say if all things go well, Osimhen will be the preferred player of Liverpool up front. And the mentality of Liverpool they gonna say is a proven goal scorer. And proving goal scorer no say ka goals say goals are and jada unyanya so for Liverpool. Because in terms of work rate Prince can nyina yeka player no thing or ye adwuma nyina Brentford friend that Unyanyas. And last season one of the games that Liverpool win the Premier League was against Brentford. And that Unyanyas got both goals at the team Liverpool. And they know Bueno will leave Liverpool confirmed. Now he can't Çalhanoğlu happy at Inter Milan. Now they say the Milan Urban say they say Bueno or person go back to Turkey. Now Turkey not to any club than SK Galatasaray. Galatasaray want to build a team they will compete very well not only in the Turkish league but in Europe. In the whole of Turkey, what team and France, or more in terms of fans chance, or more very good at it. Club Galatasaray. France no chance Chimbomborea and moments over call Sukruk Sarakoglu. I'll bet Chimbomborea. Welcome to hell, no. But you have no idea. And this is the club we are talking about. And now, Galatasaray are not only looking at dominating in Turkey, but they are looking at dominating in Europe as well. They want to compete. That is why they are almost started aiding Komo. So Brent your friend Hakan Çalhanoğlu, a better part of their new project. Papa and friend Christian Kivu, the current head coach of Team Inter Milan, Onokrano, per the new formation system, ne Jayeteteno, and Rakoway on your part of the plans. The Italian national team issues, say, me FIGC president, and the only person I will give the job to. The former under-20 coach, friend Alberigo Ivani. When him say current Italian players, they are all. And I say they are top, like Nicolo Barella, Bastoni Muninano. Diotetiomu, Papa friend Alberigo Ivani. Alberigo Ivani, did Italy 2017 FIFA Under-20 World Cup in South Korea. And that tournament, when him say Italy, they are about juvenile tournaments or Munyadi. But Italy were third. And Alberigo Ivani, penny experience, he has scored the under 17, the under 18, and under 19. The Spain for a year with that is De La Fuente. Italy can do the same. And yeah, about Matrama Kwe. I feel like Okofe General Gattuso or someone is Zambrota and be assistant. Bra, Italian national team level number 1. We Brazil, Italy, not fair, any Germany at the World Cup. Brazil are 5 times, the Pentacampeão. Italy are 4 times, together with Germany. And yes, Spain, yeah, Argentina, not fair, any team Italy. In Italy this time, no. And yeah, try and error.
Daniel Coleman said the show is live from Ahafu, Kenya, Cinema, Jericho. Greetings to Agnes Entry Kenya say number 2. Yemfa few of your messages our in Facebook and so 93.1 on Facebook. Sompa 93.1 Facebook and so Kwesi Alonso say more fire. Ember power time. Samson Roddy Rich or say we want more update from the camp of Madrid. Mediri say Yamo Bibri. Keep up the good work. Starboy say, I'm enjoying the show live and clear at Ahafumem Airport. Some passports, no size. Kotoko will massively beat Golden Cakes on Sunday. Greetings to Kojo Space, Yao Mem, and my lovely father. No joke. We a Starboy. Ahafumem and also a monitor show now or in a drink at the aba of Sompa platform. So Nana Akwesi Abra Kwachas. Or say keep up the good work. Good morning, some passports. Power time, more fire. Way Usu and San George. Thomas Owusu. Or say please keep up the good work. Good work done. Way Tome and so messenger. Or their brain. Please, Hendrik is married. Okay. They are and also watching you live from Tumu in the Upper West region. Where Sylvanus Dugu na Jebuni and I said Jebuni more fire power Douglas Kosa and so and no 6-month contract to Usu George. Okay. Nab watching you live from Tadi and I said Takrade and also what we show no spend love Bacchus CR7 for the Ballon d'Or. Hey, they say maybe I didn't do this year or no. Next season, Arsenal front 3, Rodrigo, Jokeres, and then Saka. A big goes Nkwa, and I Kunsu Kojo Krum, and also the way Abba, the most funniest comment ever. Nyame Kujosen. Also, nice meeting you guys. Where's Fatau? Also, message I would be see good morning, some passports. Update on the memo. Watching you live from Takrady Technical University. Where Kweku Salon. Message also Bebejaye and no Kwejo Poku Atonsu Market. Was a Kodoko 2 and Noa Yami Yaduma final game. Ebekoso over the weekend. We are trying to also acknowledging all you guys waiting patiently for Cyprus missing this show for a long time. Ember Power with the Modis of Fire Flip in Kumsa and of course Apostle Jeffrey Asari. Madridista, I say I'm watching you live from Doma East, Wenfie, Hala Madrid. 04 Madridista. Philip Kwabrika saying, Osemba Power, please update me on Manchester United transfer. Greetings to my daughter from Paul Manson, Echafales, and my mother, Auntie Mary of Genesis Way, Efri Filippo. Happy to be here once again with emojis of fire as usual on the power time. More fire. We ask Joe, waiting for Apostle Jeffrey as Apostle General. Some passports to the world. SK Akuno. More update on Real Madrid. Samson Emil Smith. Muinama Johnny platform. No way. Abbas Zachary. I say good morning to you all. Emmanuel Bedu. I see watching you live from Takrady. Konfieku. Greetings. Konfieku. Okay. Greetings to my boss. People from Chairman Gallas also message ya with the giant no. You call for a very short commercial break. You ever see ya ba. You ever be so. You be din komo and other issues are a very short commercial break. You ever see ya. People from Chairman Gallas also message ya with the giant no. You call for a very short commercial break. You ever see ya ba. You ever be so. You be din komo and other issues are a very short commercial.
Introducing Bet Influencer, a groundbreaking feature where you can make money by just sharing codes. He just needs to share his codes and make money. The more his codes are used, the more money he makes. Oh yes, so what are you waiting for? Anyone can be a Bet Influencer. Share your codes and make money. Bet Influencer. First from Betway.
This advert has been approved by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. Betway, get way more. If you want better future, join Ghana Grows, cause our grit be the future. Join Ghana Grows, this be one for the culture. Join Ghana Grows, cause say you my day for Ghana. Join Ghana Grows, Ghana Grows.
Kuya yomu pekwanya ubefaso nye adwuma ana ati adwuma ku a mfaso waso ewo kuya adwuma mu ene ATVet mu enne ya so anamonne fasi sanwo wabusua ene wo mpatemu asetenemu bo *718*50# na beka ho sesia Ghana Grows Top Day Ghana Grows Jumedie Mastercard Foundation ni Springboard Roadshow Foundation Limehouse ni wabuafo na Debro.
Rise and shine with Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush. Start today off right by grabbing your Yas toothbrush and squeeze a refreshing dab of Yas toothpaste on it. With its soft bristles, the Yas toothbrush gently cleans your teeth and gums, giving you a comfortable brushing experience. As you brush, feel the powerful formula of Yas toothpaste working its magic, removing every stain in the cavity and leaving your teeth sparkling and fresh. Plus, Yas toothpaste helps make your teeth whiter and protect your gums, keeping them healthy and strong. Choose from our 3 variant toothpaste: Total Care, Herbal, and Wymed. Make Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush a part of your morning routine and start your day with a confident smile. Yas toothpaste and toothbrush, caring brand for caring families.
Wana metesa wo bano se wo Canada.
Oh, woko, okosuku.
Na yesi ajapi abano nso okọ na nso onu die okoye adwuma.
Me say, amafo okọ no. Enya gro.
Jaye no hwan ede won kosa no.
Oh, Express Group for ya.
Express Group.
Yes, Express Group. Obia na nya bre. Bese otukwa kwa ma no ne die. Wode obekọ simple. If you want to study and work in abroad in any of the advanced countries like Canada, US, Australia, UK and Germany, they will take you there. Let's say a visit and now turn so we call Dubai, Canada, UK, USA, Australia, and Germany numa wadobeko. Say ya juma so wadobeko Dubai, Qatar, and South Korea. And if you want to write an international test like IELTS, SAT, TOEFL, GRA, and GMAT, they will assist you to write. Kekechira kwai ewo Kumasi, Asafu Leba, Runabout wa, and crying. Kanachi First Light, Tema Community 18, Lashibi Goy Filling Station, Sunyani, Silver House, Ewo High Court, Tamale, Ayama Building, Yabe Tamale, Teaching Hospital, Takrade, Market Circle, and our offices. Our Mabe Breso, telephone 055-555-0067 and 0249-000448.
Okay, Yansan so Magana mine. I am Obia Kwaba and some from platform Kasiwe so. Yebedin komo yebekwa humano so na yedin komo. A former player with Kumasi Santigo. So say Udipa Ewa Manane as a footballer. Yebekwa yedin komo. But answer and don't forget say a gentleman dental. A patcho wenum enkano ebeko ye. Mesrao osekala ebeko ye. Adeba kwa eye numunyam hye ade baako a so wanhwe ne yi a eye wanum oral hygiene was so many here pa enti ene ye gentleman dental ho adanse e de amaw sefo nu kirem ewe yasoye osen etu anase ebu ne kala no bibinti asesa yeboa esi sa haw ni nyina no anase yeboa eso without problem ni nyina edikan wose colors sa yeboa aye titene maw ye maw se aye fita number 2 se ban se wo pese ye show se gold crown and also silver ye maw papa usitu a wo pese ye nsi maw ye maw ebu wo pese ye ntu na ye nsi fufro maw ye ni nyina bibia fa wo so ho halitosis sabi enum kankan ha adwen ni nyina oba eye dental ye saa woni nyina e de maw umpewi na opedien your branches across the country Kumasi your Abrepo Junction behind the Total filling station sanso ene techima your magazine wodu ani achiremo techima market wono Accra Onungwa ni Atomic Down 2 branches near Accra Koforidua ye ben Central Police Station ni pay Takrade pipe no traffic Tadisco Junction wa e ho na obesan so ehu yen e be na frefre a wo de frɛ yen 0559 139582 0559 139582 o fair line we so a ye be jo so na ye no wadi nkomo eye Kulun Ghana Limited eye Kulun Ghana Limited misro Kulun from penny for say in Romiensa ene ye de aba edwaman sisi edikan eye hunchun capsules eno ene ye friend saying edura u prostate enhoto chima u prostate unye problem biya edura bebo na tu ase eye Kulun Ghana Limited edura ye friend say hunchun capsules we nimpa anaso we be matitiru edu anadwo a ugu nso bebre ansana ade achia eduro no eye hunchun capsules Mr. Kill eno so eye eduro wedwama so eboa edi mema asem maye bema wo problem e wo mpaso agudie e how bia wo e wo mpaso low libido ade ba ko e ha adwen pa ene se bema woni atenka ananu ada miankasa menua eye Orlando ejekum Blankson me son ha not in ho me son ha not ho me son ha not ho me de mensa fa eye Mr. Waka o si hi utun sampa brai atenka wo soro pa Mr. Wedru eye Mr. K wo problem bia afa sa ha no hono ya Mr. K ene be boawo araba bazen tablet ene so ye dura e be boawo na wo yoba wo mfichiri kom ha biara etuase e de amaw e bi de se bosome so a utumi se dwaduo sa usua de se sabi ye be si wayi se woni anasa wo se afrim ni nyina eye hawa wonum arabe bazen tablet bia e be tuase e de amawo e ma remfew so wo yoba enso ye fra bibi sexual frigidity in woman a chese Mr. Filippo trase mamie sexual frigidity in women lack of orgasm in sex edru ema msame kanutri wanka se chire mu njum ampa eno ne de so me ha na wose ko left okay afi yanko ahoma no so na mini nkomra nko ahoma no so nkodi nkomo sesiye ye ba sesiye ne aba beto so but yene yenua Habib Muhammad and the Ekasa Habib good fantastic Habibi sebia mu refini kakra na picture and that Sompa television so do na friend say Pogba former Kumasi Ashanti Kodoko oboboasi Ashanti Gold ebobo bebre ukruma including Dreams FC ono ane ene kasa Habib good morning bibi abakodi e
good morning yami adomnemo
okay Ghana has say abo dubako apa ho sema enwotwe Ethiopia they say what Ghana on okay
yeah no
they say what Ghana
yeah
okay Habib yensha semfem free say die na ehye unkuran die na inspire wo se adwuma bebrebe a wo wiase football ne bo yensha semfem free
okay the ikame manya menu so mami menka my life story kakra football in the I think because me soro betu na me papa mo ya na me pe makuma dia minya akwani ishia so na me very close to play I mean football and minute ya na go
okay nti afi na wajoni ya yene Habib Muhammad do na friend say Pogba they are the back kind of Kruma Pie and the days at Club Club Yakumase Asante Kodoko did one of the back kind of pa. Biba Yentwas Ufenfria with this defensive strategy, what is your ideal defensive strategy? Yentwas Ufenfria.
Sorry.
Abib, what time can?
But I said,
yeah, me person will say, what principle now we use in terms of your friends with defensive success, as a defender and as a defensive midfielder, what principle you're doing?
To my side. I'm very tough. Don't even be a defense on Benjamin After that, we go in the tackle. To make that a selfish type, but will be more.
Well, Abi minim sir, ubetumi a position who ye kakra me as we are struggling to hear you as a yanshada into one can a breaky kakra until ubetumi a repositioning of yourself and after say no betumi I get it better at the amaya yen try and on yan shade na fi yen twaso trying too hard say ye beton kanti wamra the technical team edin wudwumade amaye no a yas toothpaste answer na yebesan so get it back to the lines na yatoa so yedin komo no yas toothpaste and only a portion edru no yas toothpaste and no any a portion edru no me sawada say enne so kwadwama so o pedro a o de betwitwiri we sen obema wanum enka akoyie ebeboa na wo sen ene saa sen problem ni nyina no asie betu a yas toothpaste yas toothpaste no a portion edro papa eboa protect o cavity and so boa see the difference tooth decay na say so proye ebotu asie kura etoda bi a obi ho uhu kala bi wo se ho mesraw ni nyina hawa eboa etu asie yas toothpaste and in the brush the tienie and say teach you a brush no you the den and yes so what the emre ni nyina so kwadwama so a yas toothpaste and no and I was so pe na eboa na ebosen ho ban afi yansan call line so ne yenhwe se enuoma atotoye bokoa na yentoa nkomodie no so enso emfemfiri ho Habib afi wutimi nkan yi na yentoa so
yeah metonka
yenhwe wo journey as a footballer wo ye dan na afi uwura football na nkasem
okay in fact let's try to be a footballer or is I graduate. I just like they put it out where there's and
okay. Habib Muhammad Pogba and yenene eguswaiding komo on Sompa TV and again on Sompa FM. Musa say, what are your preferred method for reading games and anticipating your opponent moves? Your preferred method there?
Because I'm a defender. Strategy. The best way to defend ball if there's a hook for now to open it up after that. Having the ball always.
Okay. Obi beka say one kasa as a person, have you ever developed your own defensive strategy and as a play as a footballer no as a defender no one kasa what may develop your own and as a what type of a defender and now we no what the style
once a football Danny Dana training in now sorry as a young chap now Ubi American no Barcelona France so now I'm finding say mission might be very free no it was also area in those
okay Habib would my young sound throw back I say line no I have some few technical issues young sound throw back and Habib Muhammad dodola friend say Pogba ana yenene din komono but ye besan so try say besan so ene edin komono ya to yen komodin so esan sa afi ne ye get you to the interesting part of our interview Sir Prince
Paris
Habib ana yene kasa yi womra ye try say be getting back on the line
oh yeah nin questions bi ana obusa na me very much interested in na me pedie all can me pese me ntie bi because all her ubusa na first question be about the defensive principle. Frankly speaking, ayade ba ko aye na footballers most of footballers ni enhye nje and as omun focus on sa na ema no. Say bia oye goalkeeper ne principle ne den oye defender ne principle ne den oye midfielder ne principle ne den and oye attacker so ne principle ne den. Nti I clearly wanted to get it but on say network ne here yi kakranti ne ye nya yo kan ye. But one thing I made me say, main can say, you see, such players, no, Paris, I am not always for me or more born in Rusube, but they are an inspiration in a way to others here.
Okay, what the answer kwa humano so yenhwe say enyomim adahwa. Habib, say what mean kapa?
We don't I think say enshada nyekle.
Okay. But whether say we be better than the first time na in common. Away from Sang Komoi, what is the difference between the football Krumha Ghana League compared to Jenny your friends who Jenny at Ethiopia Ghana Premier League and Ethiopian League no difference near there?
Okay, I think it's a different. It's about money. How they telecast their and yes, when it comes to football, ahead of Ethiopia.
So now no to say yes and so get back to Mo again because yeah were interesting issues to talk about okay okay Filippo and see you still now you say me I don't show anybody whether no mun say nye clear kura mo show my na
that's no story here no story line and parts are not namsono. I was just looking at the CV and I'm like, wow, what a player he is.
I understand from MCR, so he's back on the line. See, say between and back on the line. More now can be about the difference in our league compared to that of Ethiopia. Now, me TV bisa can be a difference in the panel. Sika to asufru homam na fienti.
Yeah, normal, you know. In terms of money, Kasem, now quite am first with because when it comes to Ethiopia, I think that each game DSTV for telecast.
Hello, Mo. Okay. Filippo, who they bring?
Yes, I was just. Yes, we read the profile now. He's a top player because profile now they looking very good. He's played for Dreams FC Asante Kotoko. Sekukune in that is South Africa. Wabo for Ethiopia Medin. And he about Fasil Kanema. That is a club in Ethiopia. Per my understanding in the Ethiopian game, you know, the minimum is Ethiopia. One team are GD power Ethiopia. A team my friend is St. George's. And Ukraino, a very known to every Ghanaian, say the St. George's a top club by virtue of the year no money had to folk ever ball in the CAF Champions League. You know that was when most of us who said there is St. George's in Ethiopia. But now, Ethiopia, league, you know, you're one of the leagues are very competitive. And club currently Habib Mohamed Ebo Fasil Kanema. Fasil Kanema is a top team. They are a team. Also and no performances no very good, but now sometimes in this life ube say play bi asem say when the one nesi when you so person we yet so no normally most of your players role models foreign based players, but gone are the days and those were the times there nim any dey share Ghana yenya top defenders. Ghana yenya top defenders and as yenya top players. Sometimes na yenke local players na some bebree because the yeye hwe no obi te say Emmanuel Sekufo so wo for Emmanuel Sekufo currently born na Emmanuel Sekufo boy no so Sekufo pie maybe in our time nke bia nkombo bo Ghana nche obi te say Steven Odro Gordon Ablodi our own Ishmelado who say they were top players omo players bia no mo take every box but youth no mo ba no so obi say why no person we yet so no and also why no ordinary see to say probably or a role model in football most of them now to the foreign line either say so a defender say Ramos ne Pepe bem so a midfielder now akobo Toni Kroos ne Luka Modric mo so a attacker Wabu Brutal and now say Lionel Messi any of those guys these are some of the top things are yehu in our game now in common and winning dino Ubisano say what is the difference between Ghana and Ethiopia league? So Ubisano, and I was looking at the business aspect and some of her business aspect Now, most of us you're following and I say Ghana Premier League you're following little by little Adibia friend dwindling effect. Okay, local league sikasem. We a top club in the Ghana Premier League. Now for some months on yentia players players no motivational levels no fem MTN FA Cup chairman betina ha ka yebi ubisano say ediena ama boys na say ama FA Cup no the accolade and as a team say obianyo obiano ampa showcasing more in the FA Cup than in our Premier League or try say motivation 7 producer sika is everything in this world at the moment bra wuni sika wasam so and motivation say even in the FA Cup the way and manner players are giving credit in a boost to compete at the highest level. What all can I say about money? Say the league in Ethiopia is paying better and the remuneration level in Ethiopia won't for Ghana and to the remuneration level in Ethiopia won't for Ghana and to and I sometimes actually agree say so Sikano if we cannot compete even clubs in Guinea and the benda near bet me compete the very best creme de la creme in the African club competitions and then Ghana your teams in Africa how is our performances like Yako Confederations Cup Yako that is the Champions League how are your performances net saying it's saying 2 clubs or Moboko Africa. Yes, the Ethiopian league is paying better. Say Kodoko former goalkeeper in Ethiopia. Your friend saying Danlad Ibrahim. He's with Ethiopian coffee. And last time you didn't come over. On also the same thing. say Ethiopian league is paying better. In terms of remuneration, and say no, so who compete for the very best in the world want to mean for who to the Ethiopian league because Obagan say most of our players will go to Ethiopia. Yes, one castle per player. You can't keep hold of your player. And then Yakono Hearts cannot keep hold of their best players. Our own Sunya Yakuba. How many seasons does Sunya Yakuba ever won in the Ghana Premier League? And then Confederations Cup this season. One of the players a household name, a former Asante Kotoko player, Dese Mukwala. And then Woko Simba, almost face it, Brent Stephen Dese Mukwala. Mukwala is doing very well, but Oyokotoko player, he played for Asante Kotoko. Obo Kodoko. And then our Brent and our friend, this guy, your friend Sunya Yakuba. Obo Kodoko, how many seasons Obo Kodoko? Yet to me keep hold of our Brent and friend Sunya Yakuba. Into Nano, Adia, let's say, and I say, I'm a dwindling effect, Akaya League Nebebre, how well, your clubs end to mean Siki for bigger sponsorship deals. Again, League Nagasaya Bon, so I was a sponsor, a year sponsor, and a day League Naso. So, and now clubs now, they are owned by individuals, no more brepa. Omo brepa because one players in baby better omo DDM omo bills ni nyina no it is club na so mutia. Meanwhile these clubs no any sponsors. Inti when this man tells us when Habib Mohammed Eka say Sika is our warrior, we should always understand. Say seven producer, you can't compete when you don't have money.
But Sir Prince, one thing me eyana Madrid kakra ni say obviously for Ghana there we can't into me fire to the lives of Egypt and I say North Africans into me fire to because back to our economy. So what I say because Krumah when you talk to the FA people and I said the top hierarchy leading our football, particularly Krumah, they will talk about the economy. But if we are doing that direct comparison, if the issues relating to our economy, the issue are Argentina, the lives of Ethiopia, the lives of Tanzania, the lives of Congo, women have a better economy. Our economy is better than us, Anna. The Ghana cedis is higher than Ethiopian air currency. The Ghana currency, which is the Ghana cedis, higher in terms of comparative analysis to the Ethiopian currency. Also, wakasa no can same be about omo salary ni omo sikasem and the broadcast thing na no. And what am I free by? You see, Paris, so called Ethiopian league anymore. On the average, I'm not going to be specific here, but on the average, when you say Ethiopian player piano, yen tuya ne kakrano, in dollars, $3,000, and it goes as high as $3,000.
Does it cut across all clubs?
And yes, anything I'm cutting on the average. Oh, Ethiopia. Yes. 3,000. This or kind and I'm share the search I didn't see. On the average, is what I'm talking about. Oh, Ethiopia. And even it goes as high as their players almost earning 10,000. And I'm not lying to you about this. Oh, Ethiopia. Yes. $300 and 3,000. I'm talking about this thing. Check it. You can check it and see. You can check it and see. And it's not about a week as I'm not making. You get a point. You can check it. Since I'm not say surprise. I only say Heineken is the sponsorship air brand that all sponsor Ethiopian leagues this year.
So headline sponsor.
Yes,
Heineken.
Yes, Heineken. And Heineken is Champions League. So you can just imagine that brand sponsoring a league. Just imagine the amount it will go in there. They had a sponsorship of 5 years there with Super Sports. You get the whole thing here. And see, their things are well arranged in a way. Say, don't be surprised. Also, the first in a free number is Kasem. And I know the first in the fin and when say obi baby bontin baby or England or baby or Kase or go gold the players salary wa Ghana e baby
the average monthly salary for Ethiopian Premier League footballers is roughly $7,000 US. 7,000 and 3,000.
the lowest. Yes, the lowest crowd. On the average, meaning 7,000. It goes as high as 10,000 and above. Until we enyame o can say me about economy all the countries they compare. You see, sometimes in that comparison, one shall be a mistake because that economy direct comparison about Ghana's economy might look better because even your currency in one of the African countries or more currency in Ghana can be. But insider the kind of investment and things in there is what makes it different. And you say in Ghana about the investment, is it going into the football? What is the revenue that we are getting out of the investment that we make? You see, so Ghana Premier League, what is the headline sponsor? Team or Belgian League, Nisika 70 saying. And even we are awards one sem quite the same. So for me, I think and then me say Paris, me say can't be him. The lesser player or Belgiska Ethiopian League somewhere around $3,000. What the call music anima 308,000 in more currency, what the call dollars are now 3,000. All the back Ghana cedis are or multimedia as many as and I say as much as $10,000. The back Ghana cedis bro 1 billion. You get the whole point. And now the 3,000 so back Ghana cedis somewhere around Nipaneje over 300 million more baby. Asem the So clearly you see the difference here. Now, Powers, minim say sabeba honum, but I don't know if we could move on to another issue. And I'm pretty menka na say asem ne kakra. There is a Ghanaian young boy, and me nyantiti bi. But what you are hearing is Real Madrid are interested in a guy, which is Nase, and Nase born a boy the Granada. In the ASP in CC, I'm not say. I'm who surprised so you. Nase ebony game. The Granada, chipu be in and because who say, Alimira, my raho say, why we are anymore?
Didn't ya? And I saw me rebel.
Powers,
me mo a casasi, and me busan say Ethiopian League, so big league the prize money that's what they say. Nana owns some of these stuffs on the internet, different from the reality. So they are already from the internet. Honestly, when you say OBJ, the list around $3,000. No crime say 3,000. The bagana cities no more.
Over 300 million.
300 million. When you say Mo say Onimobia Oje $7,000. Oh, the Ethiopian League. Mon convert mamma mun fambre Ghana cedis no mamma me hade.
$7,000 over 700 million asem ne yeken. He say dollars no is equating somewhere to
12 cedis.
12 about 10. You ever say 10 na kakada so into $7,000 means $700 million and over
for a month. Oh, Ethiopia. And one league, the winner of the league, the prize money is more than $100,000.
So you can just calculate and see.
League, no,
yeah,
the winner,
and yet $10,000 as
$100,000. So with the Ethiopian league, prize money, no,
yeah.
And the problem, what I'm trying to understand, and it's say. Our economy is better than that of your friends in Ethiopia economy. Our city is doing better than the Ethiopian currency.
So it's not attracting any headlines.
That's very about how you are investing.
The currency in Ethiopia is Shimelis Bekele.
Yeah.
Shimelis Bekele.
Shimeli Bekele. There were no bit money dollar. Shimeli Bekele. Shimeli Bekele.
You guys said it.
That is the currency. And you're powerful, sir. And you're powerful.
That is your microphone.
But
Shimeli Bekele.
Yeah, Shimelis Bekele. That is the currency of Ethiopia. But then, no. The headline was.
We want to go what is Shimeli Bekele?
Bema.
See,
I understand.
One thing I say, the economy air comparison. There may be person say, you see. Yeah, they debate me better than them. But when you go into a country, there are things that Obiano ever the biggest priority. Ghana say the fund is football no one thing ye pepa but ye must say ye pay football no what is the investment we are doing in there, how are we selling it, what are we gaining from it, what is the revenue we are gaining from it. But in these countries I hope Almighty say Rwanda omo economy ebumi and they investing in their league. Yeah. Ethiopian League no they invest in it, they make sure so omo be selling it very well. Na nka me no ka say nka dey ntina Bekema honom na Ghanaian defender very good or that talent because of akobo. Meanwhile no be krom ha say nka obenya krobe kuma say Santoko to house folk mo ne omo no mabo brow Africa and making name for themselves. But why are they often
but Prince so eya na ewie fi say yet Kroma one of the countries and currencies in Africa eya week cry Guinea. Yet Hana Guinean club Horoya ever for Patrick Razako yana.
Yeah.
So yet Guinean club. So it's about the interest.
Yeah.
Why our mind the interest in all. These countries are investing so much into sports.
Yeah,
Ethiopia again himself athletics there. And a year or more premiums. But then in football today are investing.
Yeah,
and most of these North African countries, you know, they are minimum say we had got the map of Africa, Gulf for no. Mostly sponsorships, you know, mostly from the Arabian Gulf. And then you don't know that the amounts of pyramids more of players, you have no idea. Pyramids bad
pyramid. What do pyramid?
No, but I'm just citing an example. Pyramids bad and the pyramids are bad.
Champions League
2018 on by.
The investment we are doing in there.
And your pyramids crank not fair ne Samatex 1996. And then what you for Ghana League ni example is that past teams are Ghana Premier League in the last 3 seasons. Samatex, SC Mediama, and now Gold Stars. Do you know the kind of investments these clubs are doing? Yet all the time traditional club net day. So far Ghana when him say traditional clubs na egupa. What you for Ghana football? To bona ya analogy of Ghana football. Clubs are egupa.
Okowu United mo call yen.
Second level wise Okowu United those clubs. Bra,
and
Omunanka ya can come on bra.
Yeah, the way you see can't say no. Ye mani look say as other countries no. There are people investing and as a club owners na as or more that class na no money investors can be look. Oko air countries ni more football ne kwa anymore. They make sure they invest in the football particularly. It is why Ghana as here said si can be the nisike ko wura football mu a na ene say aso okotus kana guana or the koche. But in other countries it is not like that. The mindset is say si can no nim so the nisike ko wura no ebe yield the results ama na nya revenue be back
because one
say
Prince one say kroma na akwa say to say they are okay sikeni the nisike be share football mu a I say philanthropical work.
Yeah,
because you see you weigh the avenues of which are obenyo sika back.
Yeah,
and limited. It's apart from gate process, apart from gate process and player sales. So beton player manakono. Kwanya obefa so a wudi sika be wurema. But the answer when you mention some of these things and I'm real when I say a bedroom maybe a players are ball retire Krumano, they will die poorly. Ube say hiafo. So when you kwenya entu kwenya kwamano na boy Ghana league ya because they said the dynamic came from the internet. When you Google the average we get and say even a day as at 2025 a minimum players as low as 500 Ghana cedis.
Oh, come on.
As low as 600 Ghana cedis. Players playing the front. And so make us say.
Oh. And in Ember 600 na walk no. Obi sika bebreu.
I mean Premier League na make us say.
Let make us say 500 na walk no. What dey message say what dey sign come DPB.
Because
people are paying less than 500 Ghana cedis.
MC ni amra. Ubo Ghana league ya at retire ha. Ubu say yeni.
The last time this example I same way by Kotoko player Kotoko for Kwakofa na obe make statement say Jewu ase ube Jewu ase na make obe make statement so oba Kotoko or hese 1 year pe obe tu kwan na amanfo bebre ase omo sopa ne I don't say metina fia kan say it wasn't a good statement no make omo hwe no man the right direction but utie nsem no o kan so a you right di entina excuse me to so di entina o pesa o mo bo Ghana ha na say oh you talented na so wo vision bi as every player who pie ba price we dey obo vision bi obo bibi esi wani su player bi a wo hwe no any team bi a wo pese o mobo ni nkodru ba bi a wo pese o mobo ni nkodru so woni sa de na chese ni kwan akra so obo no but who obi a there is no way a player in Ghana here would dream of say me dem pese me mo enne ya me no ka say first na say mo nka ho. Let me be specific. Their players were willing to play and die here in Ghana. But Paris, so all the players 100 now. That's what mean 1 or 2 players. On make us a media me born me person me money or Ghana here. Paris a bad thing. Out of 100 players, say be a 2 crowd, be a bakubi. And I'll be or no crowd. Excuse me to say this so. Be a no one inside the talent. This one no seven no form. This is the reality I'm saying here. Minim so the maintenance here. The best or
Prince me to want someone else and the reason why some of these things start to say discuss and then I get emotional and it's you can imagine Ethiopia league player or just 6,000 or just $6,000 a month. Na say Obi Ghana league at just 600 Ghana cedis a month. Meaning say what he earns at the
come on.
Yes,
one man.
Yes, Ethiopia
will be the months.
Ethiopia player. So imagine
and you know what? Per Marissa is no. You just go Ethiopia crown a month or get 2,128 per month.
2,000 to be specific.
The list. You only just crown 2,128 in Ethiopia. Currently,
very
$2,000 you're saying. That is it in
over
Ethiopia.
200 million, over 200 million.
So that is it. But who bets nature? We are journalists. Who bets nature? Who bets a player because Ethiopia? You
have no idea. No, you don't know what is entailed in it. That's how it is.
But Express Group.
Okay.
Express Group. They say you better coin. According to
yeah, because Melis Bekele.
Say na ko bobo bi Ethiopia. Express say obetu kwan akwa no na yakobobra. Obetu kwan akwa no na ekusua de. Se uko school anase ukwa ye adwuma. O pese ukọ on scholarship. Bibia efa kwantu ho Express and ye be yama. Express for mpeni for sem infantu anim. Say ye just simple. We dey from krata something in abedaye. Ye be assist visa acquisition. O pese unya visa, ye be boa, ye be mo all the tricks. In trick is wo mu nyina. Questions a wo kwa ye be busa wo, ye no betena se na ya guide wo. No wa solve ni nyina. Nti wo kọ broni ni busa risk control rate no we ya no, wonim do o Canada da. Mr. Wada Express for sebra. Unkrata some bibia fa kwantu ho no. Fa bedaye na ya assist wo. Se de be ya okwa wonso mre. Wo betu kwan, wo merkrampa na unkutesika. Ebi ho ye no tena Yama payment plan said the beya okwa bosome ubetuase ye no tenase yes ankata sem nyina afu ukodua na ye simple na wutua enso na said the beya assist afoforo na mo so etuma ba Express na mo bu adwuma Ghana fo nyina se yedamase mo apiafo Express Group Limited Kumasi yewa Asafu Labor Runabout Accra yewa Kansi First Light Tema Community 18 Lashibi Golf Filling Station no enchenwa anase Lashibi Funeral Home and Obehuye Takrade Market Circle Ofsi de eye Hot and Nesto Fast Food Sunyai Silver House Building enchenwa anase High Court enchenwa Tamale yeben eye Tamale Technical Hospital Bibieni yeben court no enchen ho yadwuma ho tinti yenso sempo police station na yakobe wo mo court na yabe wo mo esanse se okos esuyan a yebe high court wokọ eye bibieni a eno so yebe bibieni court no Express mu ye kikim mu ye bonfrete mo start adwuma Ghana fo amu no mo tukwan wo mo do so bono otwe nwunwi 0249 000 448 0249 000 448 ofroma nkoma aka chiri nyina no na omu no omadi na omu so aboa wetume tukwan na kwantuo de dollars yi ene ye kan kakraka chese wo de bekrum ha bosume ba kopɛ obeto fie bosume ba kopɛ befa prince adwuma akwantuo de Express ana mo mefa ye nso nkɔ mra ne mbobobra Yanko lines no so yɛnhyɛ yɛmfa Ghana for adwen kyerɛ ne hia paa de amaken ɔwɔ so ɔmo so de ɔmo de ba ana sɛ prince still na wo fufuro kan
emre nti be nka me ka Dennis Desmond Ofe asem ne kakra
okay on say chade emre wo Saturday yɛhyia emre bebree wo ne yɛdi nkɔmɔ ɛkyɛ kra no nkɔmɔ fufuro bu ɛkyerɛ a yɛbɛdi nkɔmɔ fufuro bu ɛkyerɛ a yɛbɛdi a yɛba
sure no worries
0551931931 what's that we are 0551931931 0551931931 0548931931 0548931931 Shimeles Bekeli ya wuken Ghana cedi ho dense ne bebre so otumi tua dollar bebre e de ma obi a obobra e wo eyiwo adentra. First caller on the line. Hello, good morning. Me pacho within any baby a wo freye edi free. Hello.
Good morning, Ember.
Yes, sir. Boss, me pacho within baby a free.
Yes, I'm Solomon.
Abi solo yenko.
E ka se free ati ase wan samre.
Solo yenko.
Na fem kan wa ta se wa choma ngo be jano. Amma ba emo oni e be jafo ni na ba pa. La mentia Lordford FC CEO chema odeno kwa pia. Na anapre mo discussions amu mo discussion manager hopa na mapolo mo she otokone hasa ye kwa Africa yenti ne nyaade nyina e fa na di ejina ye players yenti maintain ni players na wa hase because kika ye chama ye players no mo tire politika na fa nya fe wa se di one process otoko all process of Africa na ye best player bi owo mu nothing bia di anya outside Africa example Africa Cup na winning the public competition na ono ba to player metika wodi ma player no e kan wodi ne bebre e ben na place metin ya tana na ade ama past achievement a yetin ya chi no o sha ha to e kan pekri gomdi na tu so modi di kan pekri gi na contract ma place ni na o so mo ma place ni na ko o ma place ni na tana na o boy mo tin ko Africa no it until say players no you bet you mu kai e wo Ghana ha say ni de e bi hu ni de sa ni do mu no tin ko to dia bana tika no ye e tin Ghana de na o be ko yamba do to send ko to ko Africa fan na ni dem e be ko to supported ye kan pa bon say players no e ni coach ye wa kan bi ta chi na Africa break me we ne ye ti say tin football na be ko to ko bi Africa no what you don't better mo gwa den kai ko to support ye sorry ye say tin na chi e hu mu e no na mu nyina nye Africa no.
So let us say Sulu and no next caller. Good morning. Hello, good morning. 0551931931 0551931931 0548931931. Next caller. Good morning. Hello, good morning.
Well, then I know the way you can say, so the place can just tell you, you're not the guy. It's all what you can say. You have Ghana, so very good. You see, it's a power of the year of other countries. What is the Ghana? When you come to the you're saying that it's Ghana. As it's a man, it's a
Yeah, that's it. Bro, as I was I didn't next caller, away free UT region. Next caller, good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, I'm Pacho. We didn't be free.
But former player B United Cantona Nekasai.
Cantona, former player B United. Cantona Yanko.
Part of the Masipani, Jumamu, Yabuagan, and Siamana. On them, one thing, Diana, Ayana, more, going for no more committee, then will be Case. Ayana played or fan on to two, local players and a senior player, former players now. On the up and coming players now, but the drama, Metusa players now. In the Fana, about the two new talents, I have a butchery, and I wanted to two of them, intended me the okay. Also, near Bib, no, Cascasem, oh, baby, and then one no more.